if you haven't done a meditation with me, my meditations are pretty simple. We start with 3 deep breaths in, and that's in through your nose, and you're going to fill your lungs up as far as you can. Your stomach's going to pooch out, and then we are going to pause just for a second, kind of hold that breath, and then you're going to just push it out through your mouth. You can visualize as you breathe in that you're breathing in pure white light, and as you exhale, visualize that you are pushing out all of that stagnant energy from your lungs, as well as pushing that out past your throat chakra. So we're going to start with our first deep breath in. You're going to pause and then exhale. Second breath in. Pause and exhale. And third deep breath in. Pause and exhale. Now, as we continue the meditation, you can continue deep breathing if you would like. You can place your tongue on the roof of your mouth to more completely connect your energy if you so feel like that. And I want you to feel just how you're feeling right now. I want you to ask your body if you have any fears that will prevent you from learning new knowledge, understanding new things, or healing today in conjunction with your throat chakra. And if you feel energy shift in your throat, maybe it might get tight or tingly, that's a recognition that there's something there. And I want you to just sit with it. And I want you to recognize that your fears are your body's safety mechanisms. And those safety mechanisms are created to keep you safe, to keep you protected, to keep you from harm. And so your subconscious and your body is doing exactly what it's meant to do, which is to keep you safe. And so we're just going to send gratitude to our body, to our throat chakra, and just in your heart and your mind or speaking out loud, just like you to say with me, I am grateful for my throat, for my voice, for all related organs connected with my throat chakra. I am grateful for the fears that create awareness, that help me understand my needs just a little bit more. Take a deep breath in. And say thank you. As you continue to deep breathe, we're just going to surround everybody in this group with some beautiful white healing light so that your subconscious can recognize you are in a safe place. You're in a space of healing. And we are in a sacred, protected space. We ask that our angels, our ancestors, the holy masters, our higher powers, whoever that may be for each individual, provide us strength, protection, knowledge, and understanding as we go through this class today. I'm going to take a deep breath in. And with gratitude, we say thank you. And then we're just going to deep breathe in one more time. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, move your body just a little bit. And come back into the room. Hopefully everybody's feeling just a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more centered.